In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to Google Docs. This is useful when you receive DOCX file from someone using Microsoft Word, but you want to edit this with Google Docs. So you can see I have this event invitation, and this is a Word document, as you can see. And here, the first step is you want to go to your browser. Then you can go to google.com, and here you want to make sure you have account and you are signed in. You will click on those Google apps next to your account and you want to open Drive. So what we are going to do is we will upload this Word document to our Drive, and after that we will convert from Drive to Google Docs. So click on New if you are in the Drive, click on File Upload. Now you want to choose your document. So I'm gonna quickly find this. It's right here, this Word document, open. Now it's going to upload this document. As you can see, you can try to refresh the page, and here is it. So you can see it's still docx file. Now what I'm gonna do is click on it to select it, right click, open with, and here from the drop down you want to choose Google Docs. And this will redirect you to the Google Docs, and you can see this is my Word document. It's still not docs format, so you can see here we have still docx. So what you need to do, you need to click on File, and you want to save this as Google Docs. After this, it's going to open another file, and here you're gonna see there is docx no longer, so this means it's already converted to Google Docs. Now you can go back to your home, and here you can see. So you can see this one was Word, you can see this Word icon, and this is Google Docs. So this is basically how you can convert a Word document to Google Docs. It's very simple. Also, I want to show you some bonus tip, which is that if you want to upload more files in future and you don't want to convert this every time you upload a new Word document, what you can actually do is you can go to Drive, you're gonna click on this cogwheel icon in top right corner, then Settings, and here you want to scroll a little bit to find uploads option here, and if you check this convert uploads to Google Docs edited format, this means whenever you upload here a Word document, it's going to automatically convert to Google Docs. So we can try this. I can upload something different, so I'm gonna find, I have this one, okay, open. Now it should upload. I'm gonna refresh the page now. And you can see it's not a docx file, but it's already converted to Google Docs. So this is the tip I wanted to show you. And if you open it, you can see there is no docx. So it's very useful, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.